everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you today how to make a pumpkin spice pudding cake. Okay guys, the purpose of this is to give you healthy alternatives to all the foods you crave. So when Thanksgiving comes up and Christmas comes up and everybody's eating all the garbage stuff that makes them gain weight and unhealthy, you can have your own healthy alternative that literally tastes just as good, but it's gonna help you lose weight, not gain it, okay? So this is the pumpkin spice cake mix. And you can make this if you have Baker's Basic. Pumpkin spice is just the Baker's Basic with a ½ teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. So you can buy the bulk basic and make this, okay? I put it in the bowl. Now remember, the back of this shows that you can use 1 egg and 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream. Instead of the egg, I do a ¼ cup egg whites. And instead of the heavy whipping cream, I do 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. What this does, it does not alter the taste, okay? It tastes just as good as the eggs and cream. But when you make this, you're making it protein style. You're eliminating 100 calories, you're eliminating 15 grams fat, and you're adding 12 grams protein to this. So this is how you want to eat, especially if you're like me and you've had a bad heart. Like I've battled heart failure 5 times now, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is microwave this. Simply Delish is like the best brand of pudding you could ever buy. They're all clean ingredients, super easy to make, okay guys? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump the pudding in here, do 1 1/4 cups almond milk per packet, okay? And it thickens really quick. So I'm gonna show you how fast it works. And this stuff is delicious. You're not compromising, guys. You do not want to be using like the sugar-free Jell-O and the sugar-free pudding. Simply Delish is all natural ingredients and it's way better. So I'm just gonna blend it now and you'll see how it thickens up real quick. And that's it. See that? Now we're just gonna wait for the cake to come out. See how big of a cake you get? This is why I say, and this cake is packed with protein. It's low carb, low fat, and super high protein. And the protein you're getting is from a healthy source. It's not like gluten's a protein, okay? But if you eat gluten for a protein, you're probably not gonna drop a pound, okay? This protein comes from egg whites and Greek yogurt, and the protein that's in the mix itself. So now what I'm doing, I'm cutting it in half. I'm gonna put the pudding in the middle. This is so delicious. Like I can't even begin to tell you guys how good it is. I devoured the first one I made. And then what I'm gonna do is put some cream cheese frosting on top. Enough for taste. And then I'm gonna throw some walnuts on it. And then a little bit of cinnamon sweetie. Okay, all I do is put some sweetie and cinnamon together, and I usually top all my cakes with this. Okay guys, there you go. You have a delicious pumpkin spice pudding cake. This is what I'm talking about. When you guys go out and you're out with your family and you guys are having all these big dinners together, you can eat the meat, you can eat the salad, you can eat all that, but instead of the bread that's offered there, you get the bread from Healthy Treats Market and make your own bread. And instead of the desserts that are offered there, you get these desserts and make them. And that's a way you can stick to your diet without compromising. You can still go out and enjoy having a nice time with everybody and not feel like you're depriving yourself. Okay guys, we love you. Thank you so much for supporting us. Come see us. We're in the DAVISON Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. You can like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. You can join the Healthy Treats Market support group. Subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube and go online at HealthyTreatsMarket.com to place an order and to look at our recipe book. Thanks for watching. God bless you.